When you're busted or charged, it's really scary. You may be wondering, what the heck do I do? How am I going to tell my loved ones? What's going to happen when my work finds out? And maybe most importantly, how the heck am I going to get through this? The most important thing to do when you're facing an investigation or charges is contact an attorney immediately. A lot of people turn to friends and family, and sometimes they can provide a perspective, but an experienced attorney has probably dealt with a situation like yours before and can guide you through next steps of what to do, get a plan of how to actually defend your case, and provide some clarity to an overwhelming and very confusing situation. And I understand how scary it can be. When I was in college, I got busted for possession of marijuana, and that was a lot scarier back in those days than it is today. I hired an attorney who took care of everything, got it expunged off my record, and that's probably a big reason why I'm here today helping others facing similar situations. When you get busted, the DA is going to start looking into your case immediately. They're going to run a criminal background check, and they're going to review the reports, usually just from the police. You need to start building a defense to counteract that from day one. And in fact, that's part of your lawyer's job. And I know from my days as a prosecutor, we used to look for the cases where there was no attorney involved. See, what makes us different is we have a team of former prosecutors. And while we may not know exactly what they're going to do in every case, we have a pretty good idea because we've been in the office, we've been through the trainings, and we can just think back to what we would do when we were prosecutors. That's usually how they act when they're prosecuting one of our clients' cases. That's why we've been successful in defending so many cases. We focus on the win, and we don't just focus on the win in court, we focus on the win for our clients. Where do they need to be? How is this going to affect their lives? And how do we find a way to get there? The truth is, everybody makes mistakes, and when they do, we're here to defend them. So if you or someone you know is facing an arrest, schedule a free consultation with our team today.